आज कर दीजिएगा today's proceedings में, as requested the timing
on 20th
for 20th is changed from 10 a.m. to 7 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Now we are the home guards.
How
Now,
many of
yes, we are total about 360, 370.
just listen to us first, and then you make your submissions. Tomorrow is a matter which is
Correct.
we have the bench has great faith in him, if not in his clients. We are using this expression deliberately because he has assured us something, and we see no reason. It's the face of the state. We see no reason as to why he would not honor his word, or the state would not honor his word. If tomorrow everything is very turns out to be good, as we have discussed, then the natural course and corollary would be that you would also be there. That is one way of looking at it. The other way of looking at it is that you please make your submissions, and then we'll take a
Your Lordship, may I just make one submission, Lordship. There is some problem in their case, Your Lordship. There is a judgment of High Court. They come up with a challenge to the Jharkhand Adhiniyam, Your Lordship. May I just read out one paragraph from that judgment, and that is actually running in our neck, Your Lordship, because with that direction being there, Your Lordship, it will be actually going against the direction of the court. Your
वो तो हम set aside कर देंगे, उसमें
But
कोई-
I have my friend is on a very different tangent. I have something completely different to say. In the High Court, when we went, we competed in pursuance to a particular advertisement where 50% posts were reserved for us. After we had worked for about 10 to 12 years, they told us, you don't make the cutoff mark. We had a grievance. We said under the manual, there cannot be a cutoff mark. We could not pursue it. The High Court, we came here, your lordships have issued notice. Today, I am not standing here before your lordships on that basis. I have two very independent and separate bases to be standing here before your lordships.
We know that.
My first base is that when your lordship asked them to make the whole list of all those who would be affected, your lordship found there were 2380 total vacancies, out of which 1168 were female and 1212 were male. Then your lordship asked them, how many are the total people here before us on this day? Total were 888, which included about 360 of us. Your lordship made that order that day for all 888. In the course of the writing of that order, when your lordship recapitulated the earlier position, your lordship referred to an way earlier order where your lordships had said, those who have passed the test, you can do it. But then that order, your lordship, in the next line of the same para 10 says it was modified in January 24. Now, they don't look at the modification, they look at the order. That's one thing. That we were part of this whole homogeneous group before your lordship, which were intended to be absorbed. One. Two, I have a far greater claim, if I can use such a strong word. We have worked for 15 years on these very posts on which we want absorption. They are not asking us to go home today. They are happy to allow us to work as home guards. And this test physical which they are taking, they took this test when we were recruited 15 years ago. We passed this test and got recruited home guards. Every year there is a review physical test for us, which we are passing. So today my friend is still trying to cling on to that judgment and that advertisement. That I respectfully submit. In doing so, perhaps the main crucial point is being completely missed. And that point is somewhere along the way, we became part of a homogeneous batch because the vacancies kept for us were being utilized for those people. Today, so that is one. Two, my lord, I say that we have worked for 15 years. And your lordships now in Jito and all those judgments of Justice Vikramath, there are about 10 judgments in a row where your lordships have said that you can't wish away these people who have worked for 15 years saying backdoor, this, that. Your lordship's view is everybody should be given a regular status. So, my lord, I cannot understand. COVID we have faced. The students' agitation on which he was saying that there is a students' agitation which is called off yesterday. that I can't do the test. Our clients were there on duty in that student agitation. COVID, we have done duty. Naxalite duties we are doing. You are not asking us to go home. But when after 15 years we come and say that we are part of a group, please give us something, then you are opposing. Rather, there is no test even necessary, my lord. Your lordships can, I understand what my friend is saying.
He is, that we could gather, he is not opposing. He says that there is some hurdle which has to be crossed. So to that we said that don't worry, we will be able to deal with that issue. We told him that.
May just say one more thing, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, number one is the judgment. Number two, Your Lordship, that tomorrow the people who are called, Your Lordship, they are 451 in number. Their roll number, etc., have been published in the a 7-day notice which was given to them, Your Lordship. The second thing. Third thing, Your Lordship, 356 is the number which they are saying that they are here. Suppose if tomorrow this judgment is to be set aside, then whatever is the issue, it will be open to much more people, even those who are not here, Your Lordship. It cannot be such, Your Lordship, because if there are home guards, if there are home guards, Your
Don't
Lordship.
worry, you leave it to us. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, Lordship. Okay, Lordship. I'm just
he is not
flagging
agreeing
the
to-
issues, Your Lordship.
Mr. Patwali is not agreeing to that suggestion. Huh?
Which
It
is-
has to be argued.
Which one?
Because there's one
Lord,
thing, Your Lordship,
other
that
people,
there are-
other people have been excluded who has not come by a cutoff date are out for everybody. Now he can't.
What we can do, Mr. Patwali, is this, you take your choice. We'll just, because we have one more matter, we can come back and hear you, no difficulty. You want to take it up tomorrow? We'll, depending upon what the outcome is, we'll take it up tomorrow. Whatever time, whatever you wish, we leave it at that.
No, we can do it. Your lordship wants to hear the main SLP itself.
Because you see, the main SLP can't be taken up today and it can't be decided. So we'll have to
So
adjourn.
what I can do is, I can make a written, we'll make a written note and hand it to your lordships. What more do I have to argue?
Lordship
There
is
is nothing
already
left.
burdened with so many
No,
pending judgments.
please. My lord, I can just, by tomorrow morning, 10:30,
The only thing is that we can't get,
2 pages.
what we'll do is, to be fair to you also, we'll endeavor to deliver the judgment if at all it is there. If it is not delivered, then we'll have to take it up after Monday. We'll be.
All right. So what I can do is, your lordship
Then-
can close this. I have nothing more to say. I am coming on a different basis. I am coming on a very
It
different.
is to be heard also, na? See, it is.
Your lordship can keep it end of the board tomorrow then, if my friend wants to.
Tomorrow, yes, I have no issue, Your Lordship. I am here.
Tomorrow.
What I can do, very frankly speaking, beyond what I have said, I have nothing to say. I don't have anything else to say. So I can put it in 2 pages and give it to your lordships.
And Your Lordship, we have, luckily for this week, we have one more day.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you've got that. It's-
No, in fact, my lord, in this whole situation, there is only one person who can solve everybody's problems.
That is Your Lordship.
No.
It is him, we know.
That is Your Lordship.
It
So
is you.
that is the person who can say that, all right, for 15 years, if a person
Yes,
has
yes,
served my
yes, yes.
state
That is-
and he is getting a regular status, where is the problem?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Thank you.
My lords, besides the 358 candidates, my lords, we are also representing 58 candidates. We have filed our supplementary
But
affidavit.
these are beyond the cutoff. my lord. These are beyond the cutoff.
My lords, but as per the order, it says every candidate
No.
who has approached any high court will be.
Lordship, no more.
No, these are beyond the
No
cutoff.
more new matters. Your Lordship.
And they are not part of
My
your
lords-
lordship.
We are not opening up.
Similarly situated.
We are not opening up now. No.
They are beyond the cutoff.
60. Items. 60.
Sir, I have